Hi, how are you? I'm good. So, first of all, yes, it feels really great or really relieved that I have been actually from a few years trying to do something like this for my country. So, just waiting with a lot of patience, a lot of inner work, a lot of training, a lot of practice. I think, yeah, so definitely I should be very grateful, but I kind of feel that we have one more step to go. If we do that, then I think all the work, everything was worth it. So, I feel that one more inning should be really good. And yes, I think last innings definitely played a good role in this innings as well. So I know that I was timing the ball really well. I was taking good decisions. I thought the if you are in form, you should definitely contribute for your team in this game as well. So that's how I prepared for today, and things came on very nicely today. Yes, I think that was very challenging for me. I think I definitely wanted to come and do what I'm trying to do now for the country, contribute and win games in the World Cup. But I think I was trying a bit too much in the New Zealand series. I wanted to make an impact and get into the 11 of the World Cup here. But I think you know this format. I think this cricket can get very funny. Even the best in the world actually struggle to score runs in this format. So I think I had to respect the game. I had to come back to my basics, work a bit more from my basic. I think a lot of work did go really well. I think when hard times were coming, I think my close people, the people whom I love, whom I support, they were with me, and I closed all my windows. I shut down my phone. I was not in social media. I'm still not in social media, so less noise, less people interacting with me. So I think that really helped me to focus on the right direction, and I'm very happy how I'm going. Yeah, it means really one of the best moments in my life is happening, so I'm very grateful for that. And yeah, I think I've been playing this format for a very long time. I played around 300 or 400 T20s, so I played from top 1 to 6. So I have captained a franchise, so I kind of have the experience of knowing what does a team demand at the moment and what is the exact role of myself in this 11. So I think that clarity definitely helps you to score runs the way you want to. And last match was all about, I think, taking the team along. As soon as we builded a momentum, I think wickets were falling in the last game, so I had to finish it off till the last ball. But this game was completely different. When you're batting first in Wankhede, you know that no score is uh, enough here. So I just wanted to, after I got a start, I wanted to capitalize on as many as sixes or fours I could possibly hit for the team. मिल भाई दो सेंचुरी मिस नहीं हुआ है, एक 97 और 89 क्या बना है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. नहीं, आई एम वेरी 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 ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. सो चल रहा है भी, लाइक आपने देखा मेरा गेम बहुत साल से फॉलो किया होगा आपने कि मैं अगर मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है तो आई ट्राई टू गिव अ ग्रेट स्टार्ट फॉर माई टीम. आजकल आपको पता है कि पावर प्ले में ही मैच बनता और बिगड़ता है. सो एज सुन एज यू गेट 3-4 बॉल आपने देख लिया तो फिर आप ट्राई टू अटैक ही करते हैं, जैसे अभिषेक करते आ रहे हैं इतने मैचों से, ईशान कर रहा है और मैं कर रहा हूँ. तो टॉप 3 इज ऑल अबाउट गोइंग and exploding in the power play. So sometimes you actually end up on the negative side of the result. Sometimes you do this. Actually, you can't but change your character or change the game plan because we are batting till number 8 और बैटिंग बहुत नीचे है. तो टीम की ज़रूरत के हिसाब से आप खेलने की कोशिश करो. आपका दिन है तो आप पूरा ले जाओ, नहीं तो दूसरों को सपोर्ट करो. हल्का फील कर रहा है, बर्थडे चल रहा है, एक और मैच फिर बहुत हल्का फील करो. हाँ, पता नहीं यार, T20 क्रिकेट कहीं और ही जा रहा है, मेरे को पता ही नहीं चल रहा. लेकिन आप पहले पावर प्ले में 3 विकेट गिरा तो दे वर डेफिनेटली ट्राइंग टू कम हार्ड एट अस एंड देन वी गॉट 3 विकेट्स इन द पावर प्ले. देन आई थॉट ओके यार, थोड़ा गेम आ गया हमारे पास. बट द वे बेथल बैटेड एंड द पार्टनरशिप विच दे हैड, आई काइंड ऑफ फेल कि यार नो, इट्स स्टिल पॉसिबल. दे नीडेड 13 रन्स पर एन ओवर. दे वर गेटिंग 2 बाउंड्रीज एवरी ओवर. इट वॉज वेरी easy for them at the middle stage, but the way our bowlers came back, I think the quality which we have in Arshdeep, in Hardik and Bumrah, तो आप जानते ही हो. I think he is a once in a generation bowler which we are very lucky to have. I think the way he bowled those 6 Yorkers in line, I think then you have kind of a confidence रहता है, नहीं यार बुमराह का एक बचा है और अर्शदीप का एक बचा है, डाल देगा. तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस था. बट एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू गिव क्रेडिट टू द इंग्लैंड बैटर्स ऑल्सो, द वे दे केम अप, द वे दे एक्चुअली studied the condition, and I think we had a great game. यस, मैं बहुत अनलकी रहा हूँ, मगर लक भी थोड़ा कभी कभार चल लेता है. तो आई वॉज वेरी फॉर्चुनेट कि हाँ यार, एक अपने पाले में भी आ गया तो ले लेते चुपचाप. सो या, आई वॉज वेरी फॉर्चुनेट. बट यू कांट एक्चुअली, बहुत पहले भी कैचेस छुड़े हैं मेरे बैटिंग में, तो मुझे पता है अगर कैचेस के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं. मारने वाला बॉल था, मैंने मारा, मगर कैच छूट गया, कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार थोड़ा और तेज मार देंगे. सो यू कीप इट वेरी सिंपल. आई थिंक यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एट दैट मोमेंट. नो, बॉलर्स को कहाँ मारना है, कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, योर माइंड इज ऑलवेज इन दैट प्रोसेस. या ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर था। हमको पहले पता था, हम ड्रेसिंग रूम में बात कर रहे थे कि सेकेंड इनिंग्स में ड्यू आएगा नहीं आएगा, बट आया भी हो नहीं भी हो, विकेट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था टॉस से पहले। इवन कवरिंग ऑफ ग्रास था, आई थिंक इट वाज अ वेरी ट्रू विकेट। आई थिंक आफ्टर फर्स्ट ओवर ही मैंने और अभिषेक बात कर रहे थे, यार पाजी आज तो बहुत बढ़िया विकेट लग रहा है। तो अभिषेक वॉज सेइंग आफ्टर द पावर प्ले कि यार 250 कम से कम लगाने चाहिए, ऐसा विकेट था। सो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली इट वाज अ हाई स्कोरिंग गेम एंड बोथ ऑफ द टीम्स प्लेड रियली वेल. Yeah, I think it was definitely playing in my mind. Last time when we played them in home conditions, 5 games we played England. I think Jofra was definitely a very effective bowler at that time. So I had to do some preparation. I had to be a bit more clear in my head how I'm going to face it, and then I think I tried to apply it today. So he's definitely a world-class bowler. You need to respect what he does, and at the same time you need to be confident as well. I think I was a bit more confident that I just played a really good innings couple of days ago. So I think I need to take that confidence forward, and that kind of helped me to tackle the bowlers today. Okay, yeah, I think first of all, it's a bit very hard job for a spinner to bowl the sixth over in the power play where there is nothing much in the wicket and batsmen are trying to swing and they are trying to get maximum out of that in the power play. So I think credit has to go to Arun to take up that challenge and still be positive and do what he does actually. So Bethel and the quality of batters which we have in this international cricket and more than the skill level they have, I think now that fearless approach which has come in, I think the wickets like Wankhede, it gets a bit tough for the bowlers to come and do their job, but it's just a matter of getting couple of sixes less hitting. I think that's where we are trying to work on as a unit, and yeah, I think that's what I feel. It's better to be a batsman nowadays. Yeah, I think the game was going neck to neck, and they were trying to actually get 13s, 15s in an over. And but I think we knew that if we take the game till the end, I think they might actually get heavy on us. So I think we just wanted to finish off the game a bit earlier. So I think that's where we tried to bowl Bumrah and Arshdeep and Hardik in those 3 overs, and that I think definitely played well today. We are taking care of all our players. To be very honest, we have a really great environment in the dressing room. Both of our leaders, Gigi Bhai and Surya, has a lot of faith and confidence in Abhishek, and we try to actually help him in the way he actually requires. I think he has definitely gone through lots of ups and downs in his career, so he's also trying to find a way out, and we all are with him. And I think it's just a matter of couple of sixes he hits in the middle, and everything can change in this format. I think we still believe in him, and we feel that I think final is going to be his day. I think I kind of feel that he's definitely going to come really great on the last day.